It's very cute on. Absolutely love this, guys. Hairline is nice. Like I said, I did go ahead and show you guys how I pre-set up the wig. Let me go ahead and pull this up here. So it's glueless. You can just lift it up and put it right back down. Alright guys, so you already know what time it is. Every time I wear this blue colored robe on, you already know it's an Ashimary hair review. So today they did go ahead and send me a new style, new color mix for their nice 360 and Invisi strap unit, guys. So this one is definitely on trend. I showed you guys one in a natural color, which I actually have been rocking. If you guys have watched my recent travel vlogs, the unit that I've been wearing, the curly one with the middle part style, that unit is actually from Ashimary. It's their 360 Invisi strap unit. It's a natural color one. I also did a review on a blonde mixed color one as well too, guys. I will go ahead and leave the cards up here for you guys if you guys are interested in that unit. Absolutely amazing unit. It's a 360 style unit. You can wear it up in a ponytail, and the best part about this unit, guys, it is glueless. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I install this one today. They did go ahead and send me their kind of like 1B30 highlighted unit. So this one is very nice. It has that subtle type of highlight in it, but you guys still get that full 26-inch bounce and that, again, 360 wig cap construction. Now you guys know with this one, it comes with the little Invisi straps on the side. So you go ahead and adjust these little clear straps in the back to make the unit super secure. Now this unit does come with an adjustable strap, and I did recommend before, I did mention this, that the adjustable strap in this one, the placement on it needs to be like a little bit higher. So what I do is I just go ahead and take this out. You necessarily don't really need this one. The straps itself, the Invisi straps, are very secure. So once you adjust those, the unit actually grips your head very, very securely. I am a medium to average cap size head, guys. This is my third review with this company with this specific style unit, and I'm telling you guys, it just looks absolutely amazing. I even went in the water on my last trip with it on. Nothing happened. Hair still came out very pretty and curly. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out my Antigua vlog. You guys will see that here in action. It did an excellent job throughout the entire trip, and I had that unit for a couple months now, so kudos to them for that one. But this unit is gorgeous, guys. Same style, like I said, it's just a nice kind of like mixed brown color. If you're not looking for too many dramatic highlights, I think that this highlight combination is excellent. The one I reviewed before was definitely more of a 27 color base and 30 highlights, so it's definitely more out there. But if you're trying to step into color and want something pretty and soft and cute, definitely test this one out. Now this one does have the removable combs in it, guys. You can go ahead and pop the combs out of this one. I usually use them and leave them in, just especially in the nape area, because it helps the wig stay pretty flat in the back. Yeah, so as you guys know, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the inner part of this cap with my tinting spray, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to get it constructed the way we want. I showed you guys ponytails and buns before. It's not really my style type of thing. I like to show you guys how the hair looks texture-wise, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet it up, style it, let it air dry to show you guys the quality of the hair, and then I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. But I absolutely love this. I'm so happy that they sent this one to me because I got some trips coming up. Again, you guys know how it goes, so this will definitely come with me on my next trip, which is next month, and I'm going European style, baby. So yeah, so the strap on here, I did adjust the adjustable strap on here, but the adjustable strap, the placement needs to be maybe like right here a little bit higher, so it doesn't really do that much for me, and I'm going to be obviously honest about it. So what I'm going to do is remove the adjustable strap, and all I'm going to do is go ahead and see if the straps in the back will do the justice. So as you guys can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and pull this one so I can show you guys how tight the unit gets. It gets really, really tight. See, already this side is laying down pretty flat. So without the adjustable strap on it, I feel like you don't really need it. You just need to adjust the Invisi straps to make it land more secure. I actually might go in and just add my own adjustable strap in here by sewing it down. So I'll show you guys what that looks like if I decide that that's something I need to do. Just because we want to make sure that the wig is adjusted to our head, and we want to make sure that it's secure enough. So again, this is with me adjusting it. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is go in, I'm gonna actually put my own adjustable strap and sew it into the cap, just to make sure that the unit stays cupped. Get what I mean? But these little Invisi strap things right here work excellent. I could already feel the unit getting super tight with this one, but we're gonna make a quick adjustment, guys, just a quick adjustment. Alright, y'all, I wanted to show you guys what I did. So basically I ended up cutting the adjustable strap and actually placing it in the areas that I felt would be better for my head size. This is still the Ashimary adjustable strap. I just cut it in half and took the hooks off of it and sewed it on each side so that I could fit my head comfortably. This is what I want to show you guys. This is what I kind of do when it doesn't fit perfectly. I just take it and I readjust it myself and adjust it on. So I wanted to show you guys the inner part of the cap to kind of see what I was going with the adjustable strap by creating it it to make it more of a snug fit for myself. So there it is. All right, y'all, so I did go ahead and adjust it to my liking. I feel like the unit fits much better now. So obviously they did go ahead and pre-cut this one, so you'll kind of see like little ridges and lines in the front. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some of the trim of this off because it's unnecessary for me. Looks great though, they did a really good job on that one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a little bit of that off. Now as you guys can see, it does have like a little bit of a hanger right here where the ear tab section is at, and I don't need that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that part off. It's unnecessary for me. I am gonna do baby hairs, but the baby hairs ain't gonna be, and they're not gonna be like the plaster looking baby hairs because this is a glueless unit, so I don't need the plaster looking baby hairs. I just need like the fluffy, natural looking baby hairs, if you know what I mean. So that was a perfect cut. I don't need to cut no more. And you guys kind of see, I don't have to do like sideburns or anything. Like the lace will have its coverage, so I don't need to do anything extra. So I'm gonna kind of leave that one like that. And then for here as well too, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this part off because it's unnecessary. I don't even need it. So why would I keep it if I don't need it? So I'm gonna go ahead and snip, snip, snip that little part right on off right here. Lace less to lace less what? Whoa, Dom. Lace less lace to work with, bro. What are you saying, Dom? So again, I just cut this part off and then trim those little ends off if you don't want it looking whatever. But we're gonna go ahead and do some baby hairs with this one to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic. So I usually do like a baby hair about right here, one on this side, one on this side, like right here. There's some random baby hairs on this, and nothing like, you know, too much. Not doing too much, just enough to cover like a little bit of the surfaces, like just baby hairs in these two spots right here. And then when I start the baby hairs off, I like to do the hot comb first, just so I can separate out the area where I want the baby hair to be, like right here. So get that one down right here. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side, just to kind of, you know, make a little bit of a barrier or separation between baby hair and scalp. So I probably have to spray like a little bit more tinting spray on here because you can see a little lace difference, but that's no problema. So for the front ear here, I'm gonna do 2 swigs. I did on the other unit. I absolutely love the way that looked with the 2 little swigs in the front. So I'm gonna do a nice size one there, and then a nice looking one right here as well too. But that's too much hair, because I feel like the baby hairs in the very front right here kind of look cute as well too. And again, we're not trying to make it too perfect. We just want it to look good. Like, it's curly hair. We don't want it to be too perfect, but we also still want to make sure that our hair is looking slaves to the gods. So we're gonna go ahead and hot comb that front and hot comb the areas away from the baby hair so we can have like a clean slate, so it looks nice and natural, like it's like the baby hair is looking fly. So hot comb downwards and downwards. So that's kind of like what we're going for as far as the baby hairs go. Yeah, so I think that looks good. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some more tinting sprays. I feel like I need to get this color a little bit matched. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cut these little baby hairs up, not in any particular order, just kinda, I don't even know, cause like sometimes they come out looking a mess, sometimes they come out looking cute. So it's kind of like one of those up in the air situations, but we don't want them to be too thick. So we'll hope and pray. Literally just doing some light baby hairs. I'm not trying to do anything crazy and extravagant. Literally light and cute. Something very simple and cute. Soft baby hairs, not rough baby hairs, because it is a pretty curly style and we just want them to look natural since this is a glueless unit. I actually like the way they're coming out. Cute. Like for instance, like this one came out popping. Like I like this. These two came out popping, cute and simple. Again, I'm gonna have to cut this one because this one's a little bit too long. I just wanted like the baby hairs just to give like a little fluff, a little statement, nothing crazy. See? Same thing on this side as well too. All right, y'all, so I did go ahead and wet the hair up. You guys can see the curls are super pretty. I do like the highlights, and one thing I like about the highlights is that they're not too like in your face type of highlights. They're actually very nice and subtle highlights. I can't wait for this to dry with the product so you guys can see like what it's looking like. I did go ahead and put the little headband on just to kind of secure the baby hairs and kind of make them look, you know, nice and fixed up. Obviously, this is a glueless unit, so you guys can see me lift the wig up. I'm using a little bit of my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna put this through the hair. I have no problem using this product in hair. I know people don't use this on their natural hair, but if you're using this for hair, for like wigs, curly wigs, I feel like this product does pretty good. It makes the curls nice and fluffy, real pretty and soft all day long. So it's up to you. I don't really have like a favorite product, I guess. I mean, I use this all the time, so I guess you could say like a Cantu leave-in conditioner, the African Pride one, works really good on curly hair. It just makes the style look really nice, so I always use it on all my curly units. So yeah, so today's video is pretty simple, guys. I just, if you want to go out with the hair the way it was, you can, or you can go ahead and put some product in it. But I'm just showing you guys kind of like the full styling of the hair, how I would style it and what I put in it and stuff like that, so you guys kind of know like how I would wear it. I like to put like a little product in it so it kind of keeps the hair in a nice kind of curl pattern form. Everything is nice in place and just dries pretty that way too. So, and I plan on wearing this wig this weekend, so I want to make sure that it stays fresh for the weekend. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this, then I'm gonna let the unit air dry, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. I already know it's gonna come out looking fabulous just because it already is fabulous AF. Like the color, pretty. It's like a nice kind of like cocoa highlighted look, real nice and simple. So super excited. All right, y'all, so this is her finished air dried. She looks very, very cute. Now, one thing I want to mention, the highlights don't really come out as, apparent, which I do like, especially if you're not really into color or kind of afraid of testing color out. This is a perfect wig because it's very subtle, but it's very, very gorgeous, guys. Like very, very pretty. Now, I did take some pictures and you can actually see the highlights. So you guys obviously see in the thumbnails and HD photos that I did take. Very pretty, guys. Absolutely love it. Now the curl pattern is the curly pattern, but it's kind of like a loose wavy pattern as well too. Kind of between that mix, as you guys can see. But the hair is absolutely lovely. Like I always do, I use my Cantu leave-in conditioner as a leave-in for this curly unit. So as the air dried, you guys can see the curls are more defined. Very, very pretty. I love the fact that the front part of the wig is a little bit more shorter. So it gives like a little bit of a layered effect to give you more of an easy styling. So when you want to go ahead and put this in a bun, which I will turn around and show you guys, you can leave kind of like the pieces in the front out, a few of the pieces in the front out to do kind of like a cuter like half up half down hairstyle. So I mean like just a clip up hairstyle, which I thought was really nice, and the curls are so pretty that it just looks so cute with like an up style. So I'll probably do something like this, guys. Like I said, I wore the unit before, this exact style unit, this Invisi strap unit. I wore it in the natural color, and this is how I would wear it on trips. I would leave the two pieces out like that and just clip it up. It's undetectable in the back, guys, so it looks very cute on. Absolutely love this, guys. Hairline is nice. Like I said, I did go ahead and show you guys how I pre-set up the wig. Let me go ahead and pull this up here. So it's glueless. You can just lift it up and put it right back down. So basically what I do is pre-set the wig, so therefore it's already like, baby hair's already in position. Everything is pretty seamless, and it just basically comes up and comes right back down, so you guys can see everything's still in place even after I've lifted it up. I just kind of did the baby hairs kind of sporadic. I didn't want them to be too perfect. I want everything to look super simple and natural, so that's kind of the look I was going for. But come on, like really, very, very cute, guys. Straight to the point, honey. All you gotta do is just set up that little hairline, get it nice and cute, and then you're pretty much good to go. So you really can't tell me nothing about this hairstyle because it's definitely eating up. And like I said, the highlights are so subtle, and I actually like them because it's kind of like more of a natural brown highlight, like highlights. And it just looks so simple and pretty, especially if you're not trying to do too much color or you're just stepping into color. I feel like this works out really nicely, guys. And again, very simple, and it is a glueless unit, so like, come on, dude. Like, it's giving like ready, set, go. So yeah, Ashimary was also kind of into some of these cute little clips. Aren't they so cute in the unit, guys? Very 90s inspired, and you guys know I'm a 90s baby, period. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, guys. I will leave all the information down below per usual, guys, including a coupon code. Hopefully I came today and I slayed and did what I needed to do. Hopefully you guys love this look, and if you want to go ahead and purchase this exact wig, go ahead and click that direct link down below, guys, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.